Screen handset with flash. Flash on. Flash off. Press the left and right buttons for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Power on the motor, and the handset will automatically connect to the motor. Open the footrest. Retract the footrest. Open the headrest. Retract the headrest. Flat mode. Zero gravity mode. Memory mode. Long press to remember the current position. Click Confirm. Adjust the motor to another position. Click on the memory mode to return to the memory position. We can also use app to control the motor. Open and retract the footrest. Switch to the back motor for control. One click open and one click retract all motors. Compared to physical buttons, there are more modes that the app can control. The operation of buttons is as same as physical buttons.